Everyone. I hope you're doing well. I don't really have anything to say except I hope writing your final is going okay. So if you, for some reason, have not found it, you should probably go look for it. And it's in the second to last module under sexual coercion and commercial sex. And then we're at the end. And so you're going to have 2 posts and your final due to me. One is due tonight by midnight or 11:59, and the other one is due on the 23rd at 11:59 along with your final. So I hope getting started on that is okay. I hope you're doing well. You all posted in forums and answered a lot of the questions that are on the final. So hopefully this should just be some expansion and some reflection on what you thought of in the first place, and maybe if anything has shifted. So pretty straightforward. I know you can do it. I know you're capable of it. Do it well. Do your best work. Write well. If you need editing help, get it. And congratulations on a great semester. Thanks.